want to give a special thanks to Far Out Toys for sending these to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector, and today we are taking a look at L.U.V, limitless, unique, vibrant dolls. Ooh, I love New Doll Day. Priced at $29.97, I saw these online at Walmart. And they got fashion packs with a suggested retail price of $12.97. We have 4 different characters: Autumn, Brooke, Harper, and London. The front of the box kind of looks like a magazine cover, and they all say something a little different. For London, we have fashion fine, know what works, top trending, designer mix match prints. Harper's box says outfit inspiration, statement making style, effortlessly elegant. Brooke has looks that are rocking, edgy ensemble. I gotta say, I'm liking the pants. Wait, are those zipper details? Autumn's box says secret styles, update your wardrobe. Boho chic, most wanted. You can really see this doll in the packaging. Get up close and personal to see all those little details, if you know what I mean. But yeah, looks pretty good. On the back of the box, there's an illustration of the doll and a little more info. London is adventurous and outgoing. She loves to show off her unique and individual style, always willing to push her limits to experience new things. At the bottom of the box, we can see an illustration of all the characters together. Love your style. Okay, that was an in-depth look at the packaging. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Hidden in the base of the packaging, we find a doll stand. Some light assembly is required. Let's carefully remove the doll and place it on a stand to display the dolls. Brooke comes dressed in kind of a magenta-colored faux leather jacket with zipper details. There's a zipper on the chest on one side, and I can see into the jacket. On the lapels, we have some little gold details. The jacket has a skirt with pleats. This doll comes with gold-colored jewelry. There's a heart hair accessory, 2 different earrings, a couple of necklaces, one is painted black, a bracelet, and a belt. She wears a top with lace at the top and bottom and spaghetti straps, charcoal wide leg pants with an asymmetrical skirt sewn in. I was hoping that was 2 separate pieces just to give us more options when styling. She has black and gold heels, and I'm seeing some ankle articulation. And she comes with a pink and gold purse that she can hold. Brooke is bold, charismatic, creative, and loves the arts and fashion. She designs new creations and has a love for rocker chic style. London comes dressed in a tan crop jacket with sheer puff sleeves. Maybe it's more like a taupe. She wears a mesh ruffled shirt with sleeves, green, pink, and white shorts with elastic at the bottom, and little cargo pockets on the sides. The construction of these pockets wants me to think they might be functional, but it's kind of a different kind of way of sewing them on, so I'm just gonna leave it because I think if I cut this, I might have a difficult time keeping the flap down. There is a faux button detail on the top, little green bows at the bottom. She wears a gold-colored plastic belt with a heart-shaped purse. Oh, check that out. There's a little ruching on the sleeves. She has tall plastic boots that are split in the back, allowing her to still bend her knee. But then it just sticks up a little bit. She has gold-colored earrings, a gold necklace with painted pearl details at the top, and a large, chunky bracelet. Their nylon hair is very soft. London's hair is brown, and she comes with curls. Her hair is styled by parting it down the center, and she has 2 puffs. And there's a little space on top, probably for the sake of the hairstyle. Brooke's hair is also very soft. It looks black. It has a little bit of a curl to it. Let's check out the rooting pattern. Again, a few spaces, but overall not too bad. Brooke has a side part and a small braid in the front. Harper has soft brown hair styled in a ponytail. There's a part in the center and the front is pulled back. Let's look at the rooting. All right, not too bad. It looks to be pretty much the same as the other dolls. Their faces look nice and clean. They're not pixelated, but their eyes are flat. If you like to customize dolls, that could be a plus, because you can do whatever eye shape you want. Harper wears gold earrings, has a gold-colored necklace, wears a dress with a satin collar, tulle overlay on the top, ruffles at the bottom of the sleeves, a polka dot on tulle skirt over a satin skirt. The satin underskirt is not hemmed, and it looks to have a singed edge. She wears a gold bracelet with a pearl painted bracelet attached, a gold belt with hearts. It looks like it's supposed to be a chain, faux leather around the waist. It is a separate piece and can be removed. She wears black shoes with a little sculpted detail on the side. She comes with a lavender quilted purse with a pearl handle and a gold-colored emblem. And all the dolls have painted nails and toenails. Harper is compassionate and caring and everyone's best friend. She's always the first one to make sure that her friends are enjoying life. Inspired by classic vintage styles and loves to mix and match with flair. Autumn has blonde hair with a little curl. She wears a blue headband. Mine left a little stain across the forehead. She has a center part. Her hair is rooted pretty evenly. The scarf is like a real scarf, and it can be untied. She wears gold-colored earrings, a gold necklace, a crossbody bag. It's brown with a gold plastic chain. She wears a skirt with some gathering. There are little cargo pockets on the sides with little gold details. The pockets are functional, and there are little ties on the sides. Oh, wait, the skirt is actually a dress. This puff sleeve, scarf, and one shoulder top is attached. I would have loved to have seen those as separate pieces so we could mix and match. She wears a long sleeve black bodysuit underneath and tan boots. She comes with the same bracelet as Harper, is free-spirited and always ahead of the latest trends. She has an eclectic bohemian style that shows off her warm and friendly personality. With her shoes on, Autumn is a little over 9 inches. If we add the stand, she's closer to 10. If you are very careful taking these dolls out of their packaging, remove the plastic and tape carefully from the inside, push down and tape the cuts from the back to use as backdrops for the dolls. And if we're doing a little doll photography with our cell phone, we can get a decent sized square. Yeah, not too bad. And we can put them back in the box as well. These dolls are articulated. Are their hands removable? Well, I was able to remove it, which can be pretty useful when dressing dolls. I'm gonna lower her ponytails a little. Here's her hair with one side taken down, and now both sides. I think I'm gonna keep it with one side pulled back. These dolls can move at the head. We can tilt them to the sides. There is movement at the shoulder, at the elbow. Yep, at the elbow, at the wrist. There's a little chest articulation. They can move at the hip, the knee, and the ankle. Here's the torso from the side and the front. And many of their outfits Velcro in the back. Their earrings are removable, so we can change them out with their fashion. Here is the London fashion pack, giving her a whole new look. It's a long sleeve dress with extra fabric over to the side. We get a gold-colored belt with charms, black strappy sandals, a pink heart purse, and a pink fur coat. Harper's fashion pack gives us a lavender dress with puff sleeves, a floral print, a lavender bag, lavender and tan wedges, and the same bracelet in lavender. I think it's a little loose up top, but it's totally giving spring vibes. Autumn is also bringing spring with this fashion pack. And check that out! We can totally use her bodysuit as a bathing suit and just add the bag from her fashion pack to complete the look. The fashion pack also has a black top with a floral pattern, a floral asymmetrical skirt with a ruffle, a belt, a bag, and pink shoes with a gold painted zipper. Oh yeah, and London's part is actually not a center part, it's a little bit over to the side. My bad. And last but not least, here is Brooke's fashion pack, which has a faux leather top that crosses in the front, puff sleeves, an asymmetrical green skirt with black stitching, a ribbon belt, a black bracelet with spikes, and a green and black heart purse, and a pair of black and green shoes. With this doll line, we're getting a lot of fashion, with lots of details and unique designs. They have really soft hair, they're fully articulated. Personally, I would have loved to have seen these as an 11.5-inch doll. I can't help it, I'm kind of a 1/6 scale fan. But I do like that they all come with doll stands with their names, and it's a neutral color. I can see that they have different body types. I can really see it in their legs, but they can still share clothes, and there's a height difference. Without shoes, Autumn is about 8.5 inches tall, and London is closer to 9. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at L.U.V dolls. Feel free to let us know what you think in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.